Hi guys! Hi guys! I've been planning to make a series of flip transformation. Okay, stop. Hi guys! I've been planning to make a series of three flip Hi guys! I've been planning to make a series of three flip transformation during these quarantine days. However, my mini portable sewing machine broke. I hope this pandemic ends soon so it would be easier for me to find someone to repair it. Or better yet, we could buy a new set of sewing machine through your support. So please don't forget to subscribe and keep on watching. I have these two pillowcases from a friend who has an online thrift store or ukay-ukay. I bought the body pillowcase for 50 pesos and the checkered square pillowcase is a freebie as I've bought several pieces from her already. For the skirt, I used my A-line skirt as a pattern. Both the skirt and pillowcase are folded in half to ensure we get it symmetrically. Because the checkered one is not enough to create the whole outfit, I used the yellow ones to fill those gaps. Good thing the colors match. I made a little change in the layout of the top and make it like this. I cut a wide strip of the yellow fabric, then folded it lengthwise. Sew on one side with both ends open, then flip the fabric inside out by looping it through the hole. Since my sewing machine is not fixed yet and is just a portable one anyway and can't perform a best sewing task on this thick type of fabric, so I had to do the sewing by hand. The fabric is not stretchy, so I smacked the back of the top by gathering the fabric closely using a 1/4 of an inch elastic band to make it easy to wear without worries to rip the side seams off. I asked my daughter to pull the elastic while I'm sewing it on the fabric. This would have been easier and can do it myself if we have our sewing machine. Sorry, the stitches are not neat, but still it serves the purpose. Next, sew the seams. For the straps, I use a fabric glue to close it inward for a clean finish. Nothing was put to waste in this DIY Crop Top Terno project as every bit of the fabric is used, even the white zipper from the square pillowcase. Though it's not a hidden type of zipper, still it's fine. And here's the final output of our DIY Crop Top Terno. Saan siya? Di siya model eh. That's all for today. Please subscribe and see you next time.